Greetings, RC Model Geeks! And here we are
in the shed
yet again for part 16 of the Keil Kraft Spectre build. Yes, it's been one of those days today, isn't it? We decided we'd clear up from the action of the last few days and get the Spectre back on the bench and finish that off.
Yeah.
And then we were playing around with the throttle servo, weren't we?
Yeah.
That was in there, that little dinky servo, and the bloody thing broke.
Packed up.
Yeah, and it was like, of course, it was in the right inside the fuselage,
the bowels of the plane.
Yeah, so we had to rip that out, and we decided we want to put a slightly bigger one, a bigger servo in there. Because it just wasn't really up to the job at the voltage we were running at. So so we've had to basically cut a hole in the bottom through that, yeah, just to get that servo out that was sitting in that cutout.
Yeah.
Down in there.
There he was.
And then, because we want to put a slightly bigger servo in, we've had to shift it back. So we've had to put a push rod through into the centre section. So we had to drill a hole through here and get that all lined up, which was great fun, wasn't it?
Oh, just as was it.
And yeah, and so we've got a slightly bigger servo in there. The main cause of the issue was because we're running a single cell LiPo. Our voltage is, you know, not as high as it should be, and because of that, this little servo didn't really have enough grunt.
No.
It didn't like running down at 4.2 volts.
No.
Which is what we were going to run it at. And then to top it all, it went and did that.
Yeah, it shredded something.
It shredded the gear. So yes, that was a bit of a problem. Oh, do you think we'll get a content strike for that car that's driving down the road playing music?
We might.
Fucking deaf, aren't they?
They are.
Right, we had to stop the video because there was some wanker taxi driver parked down the road with music blaring out, and we didn't want to get a content strike.
No.
Because that camera picks the music up quite well. As we found out before.
Yeah.
So yeah, anyway, so the servo, the little servo is knackered, and because we're running at 4.2 volts, or let's say 4 volts instead of 5, it just doesn't have enough grunt, and it wouldn't close the throttle properly every now and again. So we got rid of that, and we put in one of these cheapo Hobby King ones in. Yeah. So yeah, it's all in there. Bob's your uncle, Fanny's your aunt. So we've just got to put some bearers in.
Yeah.
Once the bearers are in, then the receiver and the battery can go in there. It's only a small single cell, 1000 milliamp hour.
Yeah.
Single cell that's going in there, and then she's ready to go. So. Yeah, so that was a bit of a pain, wasn't it, really? But we got it done. Yeah. Yeah. We had to burn a hole through there in the end, didn't we?
Yeah, I think I got that on camera, yeah.
Yeah, we didn't... There's no way we were getting a drill in there.
No.
So once we'd got the rough position, we just heated up a bit of piano wire, burnt the hole through. So... hatch reinstalled in the bottom of the fuselage. The servo for the throttle has been moved back to the centre section there, and all working lovely. Receivers in there wrapped in foam, and yeah, and it's basically ready to go. We just went outside quickly and ran a tank through the engine. The engine performed faultlessly with that carburettor on there. It throttled nicely, ticked over nicely, and yeah, ran a whole tank through without it stopping, and it worked perfectly. And of course the whole thing was covered in oil. Oh, now I remember why I hated IC so much. But anyway, it's ready to go. So all we're really waiting for the first flight, I'm going to fly it without the cowling on that front there, just so we've got as much cooling as possible, as it's a new engine. And yeah, I mean that is really it. You know, until we get the good weather, whenever that that may be. I think we've got it's raining out there at the moment again, and I believe we've got some more cold weather coming in, with the possibility of snow again, which is not bad for nearly the end of March. Yes, so that is it. We're going to call that a wrap. So yeah, the next one to do is Hans Smolder's Pete and Paul air camper, which we should get knocked off in a day or two if we're lucky, and then Hans can come over and pick that up, which we're all looking forward to. Right, yeah, Mad Colin's gone home, by the way. Mainly because that was taken a few days ago, that bit of video before. So I'll see you all in the next video, whenever that is, maybe tomorrow. We'll see. Bye.
Thank you for watching Captain Rob's RC Model Geeks. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to click that like button. If you want to see more of the same type of videos, don't forget you can subscribe. If you want to support us, you can use PayPal, paypal.me/RC Model Geeks. If you want to contact us, you can email us rcmodelgeeks@gmail.com. We look forward to seeing you in the next video.